Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let's predict the price trend of Tesla stock. I am a swing investor, and I will not consider the price changes of a stock 1 month later. This channel only makes short-term price predictions for stocks, usually 1 week to 3 weeks. Welcome to subscribe to this channel. Tesla stock has sank again after a rebound in 2 trading days, which puts the bulls of the stock in a passive position. After this wave of selling, the stock seems to be heading for a downward trend. Although there seems to be bullish capital intervention again when the stock price fell sharply on Monday, the resistance in the current upper price area is very large, so it will be more difficult for the stock price to rebound. Tesla CEO Musk previously vowed to withdraw from politics, but now he is doubling down on politics, which is not what Tesla investors want to hear. Although the stock's recent performance has lagged far behind the broader market index, the market seems to have not digested the negative news surrounding Tesla and Musk, and the stock price may still adjust further downward. Through the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that the stock's trading volume increased significantly between June 23rd and 25th, and a large amount of funds should have flowed out of the market here. Since there is a large amount of locked-in capital in the area above $330, the stock quickly reversed and fell further under the dual selling pressure of profit-making capital and locked-in capital. The stock's trading volume in the morning trading of July 1st and July 2nd was significantly enlarged. There should be a lot of funds flowing in and out of the market here, but now it has become a key resistance area after the stock price rebounds, which is very unfavorable for bulls. This means that even if the stock price rebounds again, the possibility of bulls being suppressed by bears again is still very high. Through the position distribution of the stock, we can see that there are still a large number of positions distributed in the area of $315.70 to $365.50, and as the stock price adjusts downward, the position volume in this area has not moved significantly downward, which means that the bulls have not got too many chips in the low area recently. The position volume of the stock in the area of $273.30 to $315.70 has increased in the past 4 days, indicating that as the stock price adjusts further downward, it seems that there are long capital entering the market to buy the bottom. But whether the bulls can continue to fight against the bears remains unknown, because the resistance above the current price is still large, and if the market sells off severely, the stock price may reverse and fall again. In short, there is still no sign of a real bottom. I am sad to see that Elon Musk has completely gone off the rails and has basically become a train wreck in the past 5 weeks. President Trump wrote on his Truth Social website on Sunday, adding that the third party has never been successful in the United States. The newly signed bill will end the $7,500 U.S. electric vehicle tax credit after September 30th. Tesla's sales in the United States in the third quarter may increase significantly, boosting demand before the tax credit expires. But thereafter, U.S. sales may fall sharply. In Austin, Texas, most of the rides of Tesla's self-driving taxis have been smooth. However, even under human supervision, some accidents have occurred. This includes a recent self-driving taxi that scratched a Toyota Camry parked on the side of the road while trying to park. Tesla launched a small-scale self-driving taxi service in Austin, Texas on June 22nd, and its stock soared on June 23rd, but then fell back sharply. This shows that investors are still concerned about the prospects of Tesla's self-driving taxi service. In addition, according to data collected by internet celebrity Roland Percher on social media platform X on Tuesday, a total of 5,010 Tesla insurance registrations were reported in the Chinese market in the week of June 30th to July 6th. Tesla's insurance registrations this week fell 75.8% from the previous week and fell 22.9% from the same period last year. This quarter, it increased by 38.8% month-on-month and fell by 22.9% year-on-year. Tesla's sales have fallen 5.3% year-on-year since the beginning of the year. Although Tesla electric vehicles perform better than other Chinese local electric vehicle brands, it does not mean that it can win the game in China. Chinese local electric vehicle brands are winning the local market with low prices, coupled with the game between the United States and China in politics, economy, and geopolitics. I am afraid that Tesla electric vehicles will encounter more troubles in the future in China. In the past 3 months, 32 analysts have tracked Tesla stock and rated it. Tesla stock currently has a comprehensive rating of hold. Among them, the buy rating from analysts accounts for only 37.5%, while the hold and sell ratings account for 34.3% and 28.1% respectively, which reflects the cautious attitude of Wall Street analysts towards the stock. The average price target for Tesla stock given by these analysts is $298.40, slightly higher than the current price. The highest price target for the stock is $500 and the lowest price target is $115. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. Although the recent sell-off has attracted some long capital to enter the market to buy the bottom, the market is still trading very cautiously, and the bulls may still not be able to continue to fight against the short forces. We have also analyzed earlier that due to the large resistance in the area above the current price, the stock may still adjust further downward after a limited rebound. The market is digesting some negative news from the off-market of the stock, but this wave of selling does not seem to be over yet. For the stock bulls to establish a real bottom, the position volume of the stock above $315 needs to be diluted a lot, which means that the stock price still needs to adjust further downwards before a real rebound is possible. So I set the target price of the stock at around $266. Okay, guys, this is my price forecast for Tesla stock. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.